In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Magic on Arbitrum step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org and click connect. You can choose NFTs wallet, but we're going to use Metamask. Then make sure that you are using Arbitrum network on your Metamask wallet. You can see it here and you can change it here. And then click here and choose what token you're going to use to swap. So for this video, we're going to use Polygon Matic, and click here and type down Magic. Click here, and you can now type the amount of Matic or any token you have in your Metamask wallet. So for example, I'm going to click maximum here, and I will receive this amount of Magic. And then click approve use of Matic. Click confirm. Click sign. And then click swap. Click confirm swap. And then click confirm. And as you can see, the transaction was successful. So let's go to our Metamask wallet. Click assets. And as you can see, I have approximately 0.65 Magic. And you can also see here the equivalent value in USD. And if you have any questions about how to buy Magic on Arbitrum, leave a comment below.